In our Busy Boats challenge, students must explore Dublin Bay when mapped by the radar on the Sentinel-1 satellites. Large water areas, boats and oil spills are easily identified by radar as radar measures how rough an area is. Find a flat, clear and well-lit area, then move your device around until the blue circle appears. Then click Place Map to display the radar map. You can now walk around it and explore the 3D data. Rough areas including buildings and walls show up as bright pixels. Smooth areas show up as darker colours. They are then challenged to find Dublin Bay, Croke Park Stadium and a variety of boats in Dublin Bay and to determine which boat created an oil spill in the bay. The boats stand out as bright specks in the darker, smoother water. In this challenge, students learn how satellites can be used for security purposes and for the SDG goal number 6 of clean water and sanitation. If you have connected your ArcGIS account, you will be invited to join a functional areas group in your ArcGIS account.